Hi everybody, my name is Etiku Ekubani and today I'm going to show you how to design this particular flyer. So without much ado, let's go to Photoshop. Control N to bring about this window. Make sure it's 1000 pixels, select pixels 72 because we just want a social media flyer, not to print. If you're going to print it, make sure it's 300. Okay, so we'll name it, and then we just create it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a background. I'll go here, adjustment layer, and then solid, then type in this code BA5B22. okay, this color looks quite good for me. You can choose any color you want. And so let's put these two. Okay, let's unlock this one, double click it and then do it. Select them and then let's call it BG background. Simple. And then let's create our circle. Hold shift and then drag. This looks good to me. Okay, in case you don't have rulers, control R will bring them up, and then you pull it. I like to work with rulers a lot. If you check all my videos, you realize I use rulers a lot, serves as a guide. And then leave it like this. Control J to duplicate it, and then click U, go to fill, click here, go here, click white. All right, pull it maybe to about 5 is good. Okay, now click on the move tool and then drag it this way. Resize it, Ctrl T to resize it. All right, come back and click at the black circle layer. Which one should we pull? Let's pull this picture. Okay, click here and then go to create clipping mask. Nice. Come back to this particular, click here, make sure the stroke is off. Okay, stroke is off. Nice. Let's put them in the folder. Let's name it image. Like I said, if you've been watching my video, you realize I like to organize my files neatly and nicely. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to type some few details. Okay, few details. Let's edit it. Let's use impact. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Make sure it's 0, and then here is 130. Okay. Nice. Make sure it's italics. Okay. Lower it a little bit. I think this looks good. This looks good. Okay. Let's bring our logo. I'm going to leave everything in the description for you to use, so don't worry yourself too much. I'm going to provide all the details for you to use, baby. I like my logo to be white, so come here, color white, hit. All right, then I'll type Kingdom Solution GH, Kingdom Solution GH. Church. This S has to be capital. Nice. No. Well, it's just an example, so we can manage it. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is put something here. Prophetic service, copy prophetic service. Let's do it just the prophetic. Let's increase it a little bit so you can see the details. Prophetic. Duplicate it and bring it down. Service. Let's go and look for what is it called? Brush. Sure, this is off. Brush. Okay. Let's make it color white, black. Prophetic to black. In fact, let's make it Arial. Let's make all small letters. Surface. And then let's boost it up. Whoa, I can't believe I just disgraced myself on camera. Surface. Now everybody knows I can't spell. Yeah. Make sure the prophetic is also straight. Prophetic service. Prophetic here. Services. There, like that. Make sure the service is close. Prophetic service. Set this brush. Okay. We are going to bring new details down here as well. So hold shift and then pull this here. Make sure the stroke is off and the fill, make sure it's color white. Great. Pull this one, organize it in the folder. This and this is our logo. This is the prophetic service. Prophetic. Great. Okay, let's come down. That's good. Type this Sunday. And then boom. Increase the font a little bit. Maybe increase it a little bit. But we're not going to use this font, we're going to use Barnet. Okay. Bolding it as well. But still not bold. What do we do to it? Double click here. Go to stroke. Give it one stroke. Just one. Okay, now you can see it's bolding it a little bit. And that's what we want. This is what we want. So once it's like this, let's pull the Sunday up a little bit. Let's put it here. All right. 9 a.m. in the morning. That's when service is going to start. Let's make this area. Okay. Area. Let's edit it with 0, 130. That looks good to me. That looks good to me. That looks good to me. Okay. So let's name it this Sunday. Then let's pull it over here. Now this is just for alignment purposes. Okay, alignment purposes. Okay, and let's type venue. Make sure it's impact that we are using. And enlarge it a little bit. Okay, and then enlarge it here a little bit. Okay, control this and then make sure you use 90 ccW or anti-clockwise. Change the color to white so that you can see clearly. Alright, venue. Hold shift, hold control and then click on the venue T over here. Now hide it, click on the rectangle, come and click on the mask over here. Come back and click at the black mask over here, click on invert. Now it has created the venue in the black bar, and so it's like a hole in it. You see, it's like a hole. You can delete the venue and just to be there. It's a hole in it, showing. So this is how it looks like. What we want to do is convert to smart object. That way we can resize it, and everything goes to be intact. All right. First thing we are going to do is we are going to click on Kingdom, and then put it here. And then we are going to, and then click here to make it all caps. Let's use Arial. Okay, Kingdom Temple. Let's make it quite bold. Let's make it 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 bold. Then tab barrier. Yeah. Let's use impact for this. Make sure here is 0. Make sure the bold is off, and then enlarge it. Simple, right? So simple. Make sure here it goes down. That means we'll have to raise this up a little bit. Perhaps let's give it a little bit. Now let's see whether it's quite the way we expect it to be. Yeah, just as I expected it to be. I feel like this should be okay. Like it should go up a little bit. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's it. So now I push this one a little bit up, but we are good to go. let's create pull it here a little bit, making sure it's matching with the T over here, this one over here. It's amazing, right? Okay, so make sure the fill is white, make sure the stroke is off, and then you pick this use this to cut it from here to here, Control J, then come and delete the one underneath it. Let's maintain this one, so you can resize this. Sorry, let's turn it to smart object first, so that we don't lose the quality of it. We don't want it to be pixelated. That's not what we want. Okay, click on it and then create clipping mask. Okay, now let's name this one venue. Venue. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is what we are dealing with now. Pull it up. I can't see anything. Let me enlarge it. This is cool, right? This is cool. Let's use exposure. Bring the exposure up, then bring this down. Yeah, make sure you click on this if you're gonna have problems. Then click on black and white. Also make sure you click on this as well. Drag the black and white down. Then go click on the exposure, and then drag this. Nice. Now type. Color black. Be observed. This. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is how you design this flyer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and then you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Peace out.